Welcome to our channel. If you want to unlock Mega App 2025 on your Fire Stick using a downloader code, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Power on your Fire Stick and search for the downloader app using the search function. Install it. Step 2. Open Downloader and click on the URL field at the center of the screen. Step 3. Type in the downloader code that unlocks Mega App 2025 and click Go. Step 4. Wait as the APK file downloads to your Fire Stick. The progress bar shows download status. Step 5. Once downloaded, you'll see an installation prompt. Click Install to start the installation. Step 6. After installation finishes, click Done. You may delete the APK file to save storage. Step 7. Return to your Fire Stick home screen and locate Mega App 2025 in your Apps section. Step 8. Launch the app and enjoy unlocked access to all features including movies, shows, live TV, sports, and more. Explore the updated 2025 interface with enhanced streaming capabilities. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.